Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you a useful method in coding of sequences in PLC programming. For this method I use a structure function chart or SFC, continuous function chart or CFC, and structured text for 3 layers in order to be able to manage a machine sequence. Actually I like this method because it's really easier to track the machine states and also for troubleshooting. This is the first part of this tutorial for defining the IO structures and necessary classes. In next two parts you will see the 3-layered sequence programming. As you can see in this page, we assume that we already defined the necessary interfaces, features, IO structures and classes or the devices. With having this program base, now we are ready to define the sequence function chart. Then in next layer, sequence IO mapping by CFC programming, and in upper layer, that is the main control layer, we will manage the whole machine functionality. This is the separating station that sorts the objects based on the color, and it consists 2 entry conveyors number 1 and 2 and another 2 exit conveyors number 3 and 4. There are 2 reflective sensors that are located after pushers, 2 vision sensors that detects the interior object color, and 2 capacitive sensors that are located between conveyors, and finally 2 pushers. In this video you can see the machine functionality. Okay, let's start programming in Codesys by creating new standard project. First I define the IO structures. Cylinder I that represents the cylinder inputs, cylinder O that represents the cylinder outputs. Machine I is machine inputs, and it's the same mechanism for the motor inputs and outputs. In next step we have to define the actuators that consist the cylinder and motor classes. Here in FIO variable, all necessary variables for mapping data between codices and factory IO are defined.